Hello, I hope you're having a good day. My name is Sebastian Castillo, and in the following minutes, I'm going to try to teach you the basics to play guitar. The guitar is a very beautiful instrument to play. However, a lot of people find it difficult at the beginning and they end up quitting. The guitar is an instrument that has been in my life basically every time because it's...
Hi guys, my name is Armando de Lopez Osorio and I'm going to teach you how to be a good student, right? So for most part of your life, you attend to an educational institution, being a school or a university. So you need to be responsible to be a good student. And if you're a good student, you're going to be successful in life. So here I'm going to show you some tips to be a good student.
Ice cream is one of the simplest yet delicious desserts to eat. What if I told you that you can prepare your own homemade ice cream and enjoy it with your family? Although for many it may not seem like it, ice cream is a very easy snack to prepare. And in the following simple steps you will be able to enjoy this delight.
Good morning to everyone. My name is David Gomez. I hope you're having a great day. And today I am going to present you how to read a map. Okay. First of all, we need to start. We need to know for the beginning that the technology is not everywhere in the world. Also, there are some places.
Hello, my name is Isabela Moreno, and today we're going to learn how to make Irish coffee. Irish coffee is a gastronomic cultural heritage, and we're going to learn how to make this coffee in the traditional way for having a taste of history and culture within it. Culture of coffee is for getting to know mixes, preferences, and feelings of their natives in the moment of the invention of the coffee.
Hi, my name is Maria Angelica, and if you recently got engaged or just would like to learn about weddings, then you found the perfect demo. Many of us imagine a dream wedding since we were